The Earth's sea levels are rising. That's undeniable. Global warming is causing much of the planet's ice to melt and oceans to expand, pushing sea levels higher. In 2014, researchers reported that the West Antarctic glaciers had retreated past the point of no return. The ice melt is now unstoppable. Other research has predicted that the Arctic may experience ice-free summers as soon as 2050. If all of Earth's land ice were to melt, our oceans would rise 216 feet. So what would the United States look like after this increase? Out west, the coastline cities will get slammed. The Gulf of California will stretch north past San Diego, which would be completely swallowed by the Pacific. California's Central Valley will flood, reducing San Francisco to a cluster of hills peaking above the water's surface. Farther north, Portland and Seattle will just be a remnant of what they once were, both looking more like sets of islands than bustling cities. Along the Gulf of Mexico, Houston and New Orleans will have disappeared. Researchers at LSU predicted that up to 5,200 square miles of the Mississippi Delta will disappear in the next 85 years. As for Florida, the entire state will be drowned by the Atlantic Ocean, along with the rest of the eastern seaboard. DC, Philadelphia, New York, and Boston, all gone. These cities are especially affected by Greenland's melting ice sheets. The added amount of fresh water will disrupt a circulation pattern in the Atlantic Ocean and cause seas to expand. Studies have found that sea levels around New York City could rise twice as fast as other parts of the country within the next 100 years. This is especially troubling considering there are parts of lower Manhattan less than 5 feet above sea level. All in all, rising seas of this magnitude could displace hundreds of millions of U.S. residents and destroy most of the country's most prosperous cities.